Oh. What up, guys? All right. So I've been waiting on this box to come in, and I'm excited for it. If you guys don't know what I've got, this is an item that I had first seen. I heard about the guy from Breako TV, and then I went to his page. I started watching his page and watching these him create these boxes. The box that I seen, it's the Trinity box. Well, he had a contest for it, and the guy's name is, the page is Saving Ghosts. He had a contest after he hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're going to do an unboxing for it. But I won that contest, and this is the Trinity box. Let's see what it is. Alright. When he told me he was shipping this thing off, I was waiting. I got up early, watched the mail, and was watching for delivery. So, anyways, now, ooh, it's got it all bubble wrapped in. We have our AC adapter. Oh, he even sent some 9-volt batteries. That way we don't got to go out and get 9-volt batteries. Bubbles. More bubbles. Oh, this is wrapped really good. Nothing else in the box except for bubbles. Might need those bubbles for later. To ship something out ourselves. Alright, so I'm afraid I don't want to break anything, so I can't be rough with this. I love my Punisher knife. Ugh. Great little knife. Sad part is I don't take it with me everywhere because I don't want to lose it. I have a habit of losing things. I'm not the most responsible person in the world. Ooh, this is awesome. One layer done. Alright, let's set that to the side. Alright, once I get this open, guys, and show y'all what it looks like, I'm going to cut over to a clip of Philip talking about the device and showing him with the device, using it. Oh, all this is done really great. Awesome. Alright. Here is the Trinity box. Crystals, copper. Oh, wow. And it's not light, so it's not like plastic or anything. It is actual metal. Well, the outer layer might be plastic, but this thing ain't light at all. We have... Alright, let's turn around. There's copper wrapped all the way around the cables. Copper around the crystals. These crystals, if you guys know anything about crystals, you'll know that certain crystals ward off evil. They attract things. And Wow. All right. So I'm going to have to put this all together. While I get everything put together and get it set up, I want you guys to go over and check out his video. Here, let's get a real good look at it. And he's attached a cord. This right here is so we can plug it into our phone, tablet, laptop. It works with apps. The SB7, which I do not have an SB7. I will end up getting one eventually. Or the S-Box, depending on which one that turns out to be a better device. Did a great job on this, man. And I want to say thank you to Philip. This is awesome. And guys, we're going to go over to Philip's page and watch him talk about the device and explain about it. And then we'll come back and I will have it working perfect for you guys. And you guys will check it out via the Necrophonic app.
With this Trinity box, and the whole idea is that we have 3 piezoelectric crystals that are squeezed, and it leads down on the inside to black tourmaline for protection. There is gold. There we go. There's gold plated on the front here, and copper wrapped around throughout. So, like many of the things that I have built, like the Angel box, the Angel phone, which I use all the time, crystals, copper, and ways to help boost communication is always the key. And this follows some similar suit, so you can really use anything that you want with this, anything from the PSB7 to an app that's on a phone or that's on a tablet or what have you. And excuse this mess, by the way, I'm in the process of developing some more Angel boxes. So just kind of give you an idea. This is the Trinity box that is going to be going out to a lucky winner who won the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So this is that Trinity box.
What up, guys? Alright, now that we're back, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how it works. I just hooked it up a little while ago. I tested it earlier. And right now we've got it running through the Necrophonic app. Or, I'm not sure if I got all the settings. We're going to test temperature down here. 73.2 degrees where I'm at. Let's get into it. Alright. Okay, is there any spirits here? Hello? What was that? Wait. Wait on what? Alright guys, I don't know quite what I'm doing with all the buttons here, but can you say my name? What's my name? Hello? Who's here? Hearing several of you guys. So, why are you here? Yeah? Alright, just so you know, some of the words I won't be able to make out until I go back over. I'm gonna ask again, what is my name? There was a teenage boy who died. Okay, now y'all can't speak at once. Okay. So there was a teenage boy that died. What is his name? Are you here? What was that? Okay. Since you couldn't tell me my name earlier, can you tell me what my nickname is? Okay, you said yeah? Hello? Use me as an antenna. Oh, I heard you say my name. Alright, I'm here to listen to you guys. Okay, so is the one who knocked my mirror off the wall here? My son? Whose son? The Christ? Okay. Slow down. What? What is my name? Okay, I'll quit asking what my name is. No, I didn't. I, I, okay, I asked it a couple times. So what do you guys like the device that I'm using? Okay. Barely make out what you're saying. Quit. Quit what? Talking? Okay. How do you feel? How do you feel about me taking this to a cemetery? Who's a creep? Okay. Alright guys, I am going to end... What? Okay. Okay. Alright guys, goodbye. Alright. Okay guys, so I couldn't make out a lot of what they were saying. I know there was a teenage boy who died close to my house. I have had spirits that I have seen, shadows in my house, and I have had several incidents happen to where, you know, like I said during the Trinity Box bit questions, we had a mirror knocked off the wall. I've seen shadows, and I've got a camera down here that is motion activated. Every once in a while we have a cat that comes in, but I usually see him walking around. But the camera does go off every so often, so no telling what it is that's down here in my house, but we will get to the bottom of it. And as always, if you guys hear anything in my videos, comment below with the timestamp, and I will go back and check it out. Now, guys, I want you to do me one favor. Go hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and don't forget, show Saving Ghost some love. Go subscribe to their channel. Check out the boxes that they have, and he does have these boxes for sale. So, the links will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching.